Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Yesterday I have explained the clustered bar chart. Today I will explain the clustered column chart. Let's move to the screen. To open the Power BI, just hit the Windows button and find the Power BI desktop application. Click on the icon and it will load for a moment and there would be a pop-up window. This is the pop-up window. I'm going to just escape from this pop-up window and bring the main canvas to the screen. Little bit zoom out so we can see the complete canvas here. Now I have already created the Power BI desktop file that I will use. So to open the previous file, I'm going to hit on the files, and here is my previously created file, and I will open the same file where I have worked. I have done all the chart of the previous tutorial. First is the stacked bar chart. Second is the stacked column chart, clustered bar chart, and today we will see the clustered column chart. So to do so, I have loaded my data already that I have explained in the previous tutorial how to load the data and the file that I will put in the GitHub repository. So here the clustered column chart, I have added my title already here on the canvas, and to add a clustered column chart, we are going to hit anywhere in the blank area of the canvas and just click come to the visualization, build the visuals, and here is a clustered column chart. So I'm going to just click on that one and the chart will pop up on my canvas. So here is the chart. I'm going to just spread it bigger so we can see it easily. Now this is the column chart. That means our chart will spread on the columns. So we have to fill the data into x-axis, y-axis, and legend. And data is here that I have loaded already. So on the x-axis, what I will do, I will bring the date here. I will remove the year, quarter, and day. On the y-axis, the same thing. I will bring the gross sale on the y-axis. Then I can see the 3 column has been prepared already: January, February, and March. In this 3 column, I cannot see the total of each column. So here is the same thing. We can add the total of each column by going to the format visuals. Go to the visual, and here we will see the data labels. Just turn it on. Once we turn it on, and we will see the total on the top of each column. But this is the column is for the months January, February, and March. Now come back to the build a visual. In the legend, we did not update any field. So we needed to bring any category field here. So yesterday we have worked with the product line. So today we will do the same thing. Yesterday we did the product line as a legend for the cluster bar chart. Today we will do the same thing in the cluster. Click on the visual first, then click on the product line, and the product line will jump to the legend, and here we can see it. So we have in our database we have the 6 product line. That's why we can see here the 6 column appeared. So remove the product line. It will be only one column for each month. But if we add the product line into the legend, then it will turn to the 6 column. So each column present each product line and each month. So each month is having the 6 product line. So January is having the 6 product line and the gross sale value of each product line. February is the same 6 product line. March is the same 6 product line. If there is some product line is not working in some month, it will be removed automatically. To perform the here nothing to fill more. Filter we will see later. But what we can do now, in the previous tutorial I haven't shown whether we can see particular thing by clicking on that. So it is just a filter. Here we are not having the multiple visuals in the one canvas, that it will be not effective, but we will see it. I'm just showing you for the sake of mine. When I'm clicking on here on the this category is food and beverage of January, then it is going to highlight it, and another are going to the reduce the color effect. And the visualizer, that the people who want to visualize only the food, they are able to interact with the chart by clicking on the particular item. If we are having the multiple chart in the dashboard in the canvas, then this will act as a filter that we will see here when we will put multiple chart into the one canvas. So I'm going to just click it again and turn back to the normal view. So this is the normal view. To perform the data label configuration, that means the UI part of the data label, it is the same. We are going to click on the format your visual. Sorry. Click on the x-axis. In the x-axis, what here we have given the months. So this is the category field. It is not a number field, so we are unable to perform the more things here, but we are fine. You can perform the some UI part of like bold the text value, uh, change the title of x-axis as well. On the y-axis we can because on the y-axis we have given the number, so we can perform the giving the range of minimum range, maximum range. We can change the chart to the invert range as well. So instead of it start from the bottom to top, it will reverse from top to bottom. I will just revert it. In the values, you can perform, if you want to change the display unit, you can change it to 1000, change it to million, that you can perform it from here in the values. Legend, our legends are already on the top left, and that if you want to change you can change it. I will bring it to the bottom center. Grid line, I will not touch it because I have explained it earlier. You can see the grid line is here, that if you want to change, just go to the grid line section and you are able to do it. Zoom insider, I will include the zoom insider into my chart, so the person who is accessing my dashboard, they are able to just use zoom in zoom out functionality. For the column, yeah, here is the option where we have included the 6 categories, 6 product line. If you want to change the color of any category, you can just click here and change it. It will change. Spacing between two bar. Spacing between two bar, it is we can increase or decrease the spacing between two bars from here in the column section. Data label we have added already. If you want to remove the data label for any particular item such as electronic accessory, then you need to choose one by one and just off the show data label, and it will be just go away. Here we cannot see the data label of the fashion category now. Values, here we can perform the values 1000, million that we want to see by just clicking it here. I will just keep it auto. Sorry, I have selected the fashion. Now I need to go to the all. Overflow tag custom label, we will see it later. This is not part of the basics, so I will just leave it. For the background, yes, I will include the background of the labels as well, and transparency, I will reduce the transparency and change the font color to the white. Sorry, my background I will keep it black, and okay, keep the transparency as you feel comfort. This we have done all the UI part for the chart and data. If you want to perform the UI part for the complete canvas, it is here in the general. Go to the format visual. Instead of visual, go to the general. Property is you can resize your chart and padding, that you can do it here. I will not do it. For the title, you can change the title. Yes, I will just change. Here our current title is sum of gross income by month and product line. I will change it to gross income by month and product line. Uh, that's all. You can perform the UI part for the text color, text center that you wanted to do. I'm going to hide the title, subtitle that you can include a subtitle. Here you can keep the gross income, and in the subtitle you can give the title is like let me do it by month and product line. So now I needed to just change my title. Sorry, gross income, and that is my title, and the subtitle I will keep the gross income by month and product line. That means you can separate title and subtitle. Divider, yes, I will include the divider to divide the title area and the chart area. If you want to increase the size of the title area, that you can do it here by going to the spacing section. Effect, you can change the effect of the background. I will include the yellow one. Transparency, you can perform according to the requirement of your project. Visual border, yes, I will include the visual border, and the more I will do it to the rounded corner. Shadow, I will just include the shadow as well, and shadow is going to the outside bottom right, that we can see it here. So here our chart is complete. This is the clustered column chart and the comparison with the stacked column chart. The stacked column chart is going to stack the category into one column, but the clustered column chart, it is going to separate the column for each category. So this is the difference between stacked column and clustered column chart. Both column chart is going to use for its particular use. Of course, there would be some person who want to see in a different way. Some project has such requirement to show it in a different way. That's all today about the cluster column chart. I hope you like the tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.